where we widen your knowledge of IGC Extended. Hello, I'm your host Wonbin, and today we are going to talk about Global Affairs major at George Mason University, Korea, located within Incheongl로벌캠퍼스 in Seongdo. Today we have William and Jennie here with us today. Hello guys.
Hi.
Nice to meet you guys. Could you briefly introduce yourself to our viewers?
Nice to meet you all. My name is William Dong-young Lee. I'm a junior at George Mason University, Korea, and a global affairs major.
Hi guys, my name is Jennie Kim. I am a second semester sophomore, majoring in global affairs, and I am the global affairs representative.
Nice to meet you guys again. And I'm really looking forward to hear what global affairs major is from you guys. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, then let's start with the first question. Could you briefly introduce what global affairs major is?
Yes, so the major, to explain briefly, is a major where we learn about different fields such as health or economics or business or environmental science even. There's so many courses that you can take, and then through those courses you can be able to find the right courses that you want to take and the right pathway for you in the future.
It sounds interesting by just listening to the introduction. Then under what kind of curriculum does global affairs major operate?
So, as Jenny said, there are lots of fields in this major. So we call the field the concentration. So you have to pick one concentration, and that you are interested in or want to know about it, learn about it, and study about it.
Wow, it sounds like global affairs students can broaden their knowledge in a global way with their specific curriculum. Are there any course you guys want to recommend?
I would love to recommend one specific course for you guys. However, there's so many courses that are great that are being provided at Mason Korea that I can't really pick, not just as a major representative, but as a student to student. But one thing I could definitely recommend is to finding your right concentration courses. As William said, there are various types of concentration courses out there and concentrations out there that you can pick, and finding your right concentration course will be helpful to finding the right career for the future.
Choosing the right concentration courses sounds both interesting and hard at the same time. You guys really seem geniuses for me. My advice to viewers is that you guys should really take notes of what these guys say. It will be very helpful. Then, was it different from what you guys originally expected to learn in this course?
For me, yes, it was really different than I expected.
How about you?
And for me, no, it wasn't different at all from what I expected.
So one said yes and one said no. I really want to hear what you guys expected and how was it same or how was it different from what you guys expected?
Well, I said it's really different than I expected because I thought I didn't know how big is the global affairs. So I thought there were only few like concentrations of like environmental, political, or econ, business, but there are tons of the concentrations out there, and yeah, I was wrong.
So yeah, just as William mentioned, there are a lot of concentrations available in our major, and because of that, I'm the type of person whose dream changes every single day. So I knew that choosing one specific course or one specific major wouldn't help me get through easily. So finding a course like this, I knew that there has to be somewhere where I get to learn different things and find something that is right for me.
To be honest, I think that it will be really fun being in global affairs major as a student. I also heard that there are a lot of things to read and write about. Is it true?
I don't want to say that, but it is true.
Do you
Yeah.
agree with it?
Yes.
Yes. Then is it hard to study or get a good grade as a global affairs major?
Well, as I said, there are a lot of readings and writings, and you need the basic information or knowledge for this course. And if you are a hard reader, then it's easy, maybe, I think, easy to get a good grade. But if you're not, I think it's gonna be hard for you.
Do you think the same?
In some sense, yes, I do. You really have to read and you have to write a lot, but there are resources that are provided for you. So professors are always there for you. There's a writing center. So there's no way where you can fail a course with that.
I can see that you guys are striving for getting straight A's. Our last topic, career plans. What kind of career fields or positions does a global affairs major get into?
So just as if you hear the word global affairs, you can think of NGOs or working in the international organizations, and that is true, but it doesn't end there. Like you could be a diplomat and you can be a professor, or you can even go to a business field and become an entrepreneur or something. So it's very wide and it's out there. So students don't have the pressure of picking one career.
It sounds like you guys have various fields to get engaged in after you guys graduate. Thanks, that's all the time we have for today. Are you guys satisfied with your answers?
Yes.
Yes. Once again, I'm really appreciative about your answers and information. And it was also a great opportunity for me to learn deeply about what global affairs major is. If you want to extend this video, please like our page,
Subscribe it.
And share our videos.